Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial and review on this eye look that I have on right now. I have the new NUDEPOP by KEVYN AUCOIN. If I'm not saying that right, sorry. So this is how the palette looks. It has the names on the back. Comes with a nice mirror. It has a nice weight to it, and it comes in a plastic case. This is the packaging. Very nice packaging. So let's see, what else can I get into when it comes to this palette? This is my second palette. I originally have this palette. So I bought this palette on a wing to Sephora, and this is how it's basically an all shimmer palette. So I bought this palette, and due to the fact of me buying this palette and how high quality the shimmers was, I was very I am lost for words right now. It's almost 10 o'clock at night. It made me intrigued on trying this palette. Hopefully that makes sense at almost 11 o'clock at night. So yeah, so that's why I pretty much picked up this palette. So if you guys want to know how I feel about this palette and all that good jazzy stuff, please keep on watching. And also, if you want to stay connected with me, please follow me on IG. My IG name is LimeGreen90. I'm also on Facebook, Lime Green, and I'm also on here. Subscribe. All right, guys, let's jump into it. Hey y'all, okay, I finished my makeup look using this beautiful palette right here. Let me come close. So hopefully the camera is picking up the dramaticness of this eye look. In person it does look more dramatic because I have my ring light. But on camera it looks like a soft glam, but in person it is all dramatic. I might insert a picture. Let me see if I can. Let's see if we do it. Take a picture. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, hopefully if the picture turns out right, I will have it inserted right there. Otherwise you won't see this portion. So yeah, this is the final look. So let me get into my thoughts on the palette. Alright, so I overall like this palette. All the colors that I used were pigmented. I did notice with this shade, as you can see, this shade looks like a gold more than it looks like this shade. I'm not sure if maybe the color I used to cut my crease altered the color, or who knows, but it does not look like the color in the pan. I even swatched this color and it looks pink, like the same color in the pan. So I'm thinking whatever I used on my eye to cut my crease probably altered the color a little bit. But I overall like this palette. Both the colors that I use, they all blended well into each other. It's pigmented. I just went back in with both shades and then blend them together so that the color can be more pronounced in the video. So yeah, that is my thoughts. Let's see, did I have any fallout? I don't think I had any fallout, not that I know of. Yeah, I don't think I had any fallout. If I did, it was just a little, but normally I do my eyes first and then my face. So yeah, I didn't have any fallout, probably just a little. I did purchase this from Sephora. I bought this during the 20% off of I am Sephora Rouge, so I was able to use my discount twice. So I purchased it through that. So I really like this palette, and I highly recommend. Also, I have a question too for you guys. If any one of y'all tried the new Nude by Huda, please let me know how you feel about that palette and if you recommend that for dark skin tones, because I was kind of hesitant on buying that due to the fact that I had this palette. So please comment below and let me know. So if you guys have any questions or if I left out anything, please feel free to comment, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.